Welcome to Science with Facts by Fano, where we uncover the most powerful secrets of nature. Today, we're diving deep into a question that has fascinated and terrified humanity for centuries. How do tsunamis form? You might think of a tsunami as just a really big wave, but it's so much more than that. It's a massive, relentless wall of water that can travel across entire oceans, carrying unimaginable destructive power. So, where does all this energy come from? The story begins deep beneath the ocean's surface. Imagine the ocean floor. It's not a static, peaceful place. Tectonic plates are constantly shifting, volcanoes are rumbling, and sometimes things even fall from space. The most common trigger for a tsunami is a massive undersea earthquake. When two tectonic plates suddenly slip, and one pushes upward, it displaces a colossal amount of water above it. Think of it like pushing up from the bottom of a bathtub. The water has to go somewhere, and that somewhere is up. This sudden displacement creates a series of powerful waves that radiate outwards in all directions, much like the ripples from a stone thrown into a pond, but on a gigantic scale. Out in the deep ocean, these tsunami waves are surprisingly sneaky. They can travel at incredible speeds, sometimes over 800 kilometers per hour, as fast as a commercial jet. Yet on the surface, the wave height might be less than a meter, making them almost impossible to spot from a ship or a plane. They are, in essence, silent giants gliding through the deep. But as these waves approach land and enter shallower coastal waters, a dramatic and terrifying transformation occurs. The friction with the rising seabed slows the front of the wave down. However, the energy and water piling up from behind have nowhere to go but up. This causes the wave's height to increase dramatically, compressing all that deep ocean energy into a towering, monstrous wall of water. This is the moment the barely noticeable ripple transforms into the destructive force we recognize as a tsunami. When this wall of water finally crashes onto the shore, its force is immense. It's not just one wave. It's a series of waves, sometimes arriving minutes or even hours apart, that can flood coastal areas for kilometers inland. Tsunamis have the power to destroy entire cities, toss ships around like bath toys, and permanently reshape coastlines in a matter of moments. It's a raw and humbling display of nature's incredible and terrifying power. Understanding the science behind them is the first step in respecting their force and improving our ability to prepare. Now, here is a thought-provoking question for you. If we had the technology to predict every single tsunami with perfect accuracy before it happens, do you think we could truly save every life in its path? What challenges would still remain? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science with Facts by Fano for more amazing science facts. Thanks for watching.